So I saw this little gym on Facebook Marketplace a while back, and the guy wanted a very reasonable amount of money for this little black Datsun and the little white one. And like anywhere I go, I just asked, what else do you have? You know, anything else you want to sell? And we looked around and I found a little Ford Courier, and then I was digging through some piles of stuff and I could tell there was some Mopar stuff. So you just don't really know what you're gonna get when you go looking for things. So I could see underneath this pile of stuff just a little bit of orange, like this part right here, and they were just covered in stuff. And I just asked him, like, will you sell that engine down there? And he's like, yeah, I'll sell that. And so I offered him price kind of based on the fact I could see that it was orange and figured it was probably a, you know, Chrysler motor. And it just goes to show you what you don't, you know, you just never know what you're gonna find. I was out there buying a Datsun truck that was just a good price, and then this thing popped up, which happens to be a 440 HP block, and I had a friend to go out there and get it with the tractor because it was just buried. Lots of stuff was buried and the trucks needed to be pulled out of the weeds. And so anyway, when he got it back, had the 4-speed hooked up. It was HP block, couldn't see. And so my point is, you just have no idea what you're gonna find out there. Yeah, it's just an engine and transmission, but it was really cool to find it, and definitely something I could use for one of many projects at Rough and Ready Rides. So anyway, keep your eyes open. You never know what you're gonna find. Click that subscribe button if you could, please, and help us grow our channel. We're new at this. We really don't know what we're doing yet, but we do know we like old cars, and we do know we like trying to fix them up and get them running again, so they're fun to play with and fun to share with others. So keep checking us out here on Rough and Ready Rides, and we'll keep producing videos and bringing you cool stuff and bringing stuff for sale and things that you might not have seen before. Thanks for watching.